This is a key fob from a 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe. I'm replacing the battery in it. It's real quick. You open up your key. You're going to need something like this, a small screwdriver, flat, something that you can get into a small crevice. And then I've got a little Phillips and a knife to pick out the battery with. But what you have, you're going to take a look. Let's find that up here in the top corner here. There's a little pocket. Wiggle your screwdriver and you'll feel it release a little bit. Go to the other side at the very end. There's another little pocket. And it popped open there. You can go back and forth. Once you get them to separate a bit, you should be able to work it apart by hand. They're starting to release there, and there she goes. You've got two small Phillips screws here and here. Two. This cover has a latch over here, so you want to lift on this side. Pulls up and away. There's your battery. It's a tiny area here, so as you use a knife, pops right out. And this one is a, let's see if it'll focus, a CR2032. Let me grab another one. All right, then your new one, slide back in. I go this way, so it goes underneath those tabs. They're a little bigger there. Take your cover. Get your base back in there first. These little screws. Without knowing those little pockets are there to pop it apart, it can really be a bear and you can damage it by just trying to pry it open. There we go. That. Take your cover. And that's it. It's done. And you don't have to take your key ring off of there. This pulls out in a way and it'll stay right there. It's really not. I just did it for demonstration. But that's all there is to it.